Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you a centralized data logger called Cube. But before we start, here's the outline for this video. Spec, feature, application, accessories, housing, pin configuration, and operation. Now let's talk about the spec. Here's the specification of Cube. Cube is a centralized system that can be used as data logger, voice and visual alarm, and can connect up to 4 devices. It can also provide emergency shutdown before or after an earthquake. And now let's talk about the application. This Cube was developed for regional and on-site information for earthquake early warning. It can also support different applications. When an earthquake occurs, Palert or Palert Plus sends information to Cube. After receiving information, Cube will display visual alarm and audio alarm on the broadcasting system and send text messages to users. It is also capable of emergency machine shutdown before or after an earthquake. Let's open it and check out all the parts. You will see a Cube. You will need a power cable to operate. Please contact our FAE if you don't have one. Now let's talk about the housing of Cube. There are 4 relay LED signs displaying device status. The user-friendly touchscreen displays real-time information. And here is the image of pin configuration. You may follow this configuration for wiring. You can pause the video to check for detail. Now let's move on to the operation of Cube. The Cube will power on after you plug in the power socket. The LCD display booting after the power is on. Press the upper left button for 2 seconds, then it will display function settings. You can see the functions and the corresponding number on this list. The displays shown on the video are most commonly used functions. Press 1, the IP address will be displayed. NTP reload. Cancel. Press 4, you will be able to reload any change. Here's a friendly reminder, please remember to restart the system after making changes. Display software version. Soft reload. Update software via FTP. Record manually. Entering testing mode. To turn off the device, please press 12 or the power off button. And here's a reminder, the LCD display will not go off after pressing 12 or the power off button. Please remove the external power supply to turn off the device thoroughly. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.